Good morning, children. This video is for class 2, subject reasoning, and chapter number 21, analogy. This is our lecture number 2. So, beta, again I am going to tell you what do you mean by analogy. Analogy means a comparison between one thing and another, typically for the purpose of explanation or clarification. Analogy का मतलब होता है बेटा जब हम दो चीजों में कंपैरिजन करते हैं for particular purpose. Okay. In these type of questions, we identify the relationship between each set of words and then find the missing pair using this relationship. So beta, in our last video lecture, I told you about the relationship between each set of figures, and today we will learn relationship between each set of words. So let's start with an example. So here it is given in this example, identify the relationship between the pair and find the missing word. Okay, so let's see what is given to us. Here it is given pen, paper, hammer, dash. So beta, we use pen on the paper. So hammer is used in same relationship. Hammer किसके लिए use किया जाता है? We have four options: A. Lumber, B. Nail, C. Wall, and D. Wood. So hammer is used for nail. ठीक है, nail means क्या होता है बेटा? कील. ठीक है, hammer का मतलब होता है हथौड़ी. ठीक है, हम उसको हथौड़ी को किस लिए यूज करते हैं? जब हमें किसी कील को वॉल के अंदर लगाना होता है. ओके, so here option number B is correct, so we will circle this B. Okay, and here we will write the answer that option number B is correct. So you have to see the same relationship between the pair what is given to us, and after that you have to use that relationship in the next pair. Okay, so today's homework, again, identify the relationship between the pair and find the missing word. Okay, so here it is given in question number 1, flour, bread, fruits, dash. And we have four options: A. Jam, B. Milk, C. Bottle, and D. Jar. In question number 2, it is given niece, nephew, priest, dash. And we have options: temple, God, prayer, and priestess. Question number 3. It is given chair, sitting, bed, dash. And options are bedroom, night, sleeping, running. Question number 4. Eyes, see, nose, dash. Options are A. Hear, B. Touch, C. Smell, and D. Taste. Now in question number 5, it is given bed, bedroom, toilet, dash. So here options are A. Truck, B. Kitchen, C. Television, and D. Bathroom. So accordingly, you have to see the relationship and then you have to fill the next pair. Okay. Now, homework solution of chapter number 21, analogy, and lecture number 1. Okay. So I had now it is given identify the relationship between the pairs and find the missing figure. Okay, we have given in question number 1 this figure. You can see first we will see the relationship between these two. Okay, and here you can see one circle is there with the arrow that is at lower side. Okay, and in next it is given again a circle with the arrow at upper side. Now we have to find out the same relationship here. So here in this circle, it is given the arrow at the right hand side. Okay. So now we have to draw another circle with an arrow which should be at left hand side. So here this option number C is correct. So we will circle this option number C, and here we will write the answer that option number C is correct. Okay. Now in question number 2, it is given this figure, and now we will see the relationship between these two. Okay. here in both triangles are given. In this triangle you can see the corner is at the upper side, but in this triangle corner is at the lower side. मीन्स यहाँ पर सीधी ट्रायंगल है बेटा और यहाँ पे इसकी अपोजिट यानी उल्टी करके हमने रख दी ट्रायंगल. ठीक है. सो नाउ वी हैव टू पुट द सेम रिलेशनशिप हियर एंड दिस फिगर इज कॉल्ड द पेंटागन, क्योंकि इसमें 5 साइड्स होती हैं बेटा, 1 2 3 4 एंड 5. सो हियर दिस पेंटागन इज there. Okay, now we have to see the pentagon again in these options. So here two pentagons are there, but in this pentagon beta there is no line in between, but here in C part line is given, so this is not correct option. So here we will put the option number B, that is correct. यहाँ पे हमें सीधा pentagon given है और यहाँ पे हमें opposite pentagon given है. Okay, so here we will write that option number B is correct. Okay. Now in question number 3, this figure is given. Now we have to see the relationship. Beta, this is the mirror image of this figure. जो ये first figure है उसकी mirror image है. ठीक है. Now we have to see the mirror image of Z. और Z की mirror image जो है वो उल्टा Z बनेगी और इसके बीच में क्या है, one curved line. So we have to see the same from these options. So here it is in option number B. So here we will circle option number B and here we will write the answer that option number B is correct. Okay. Option number 4. This figure is given. You can see that there are two circles. Here one circle with 1 quarter. Okay, and here the second circle with 3 quarters. ठीक है. मीन्स यहाँ पे जितना पार्ट जो है वो फिल्ड है, यहाँ पे उतना पार्ट जो है वो खाली है. Understood? Means unfilled है. So we have to find out the same relationship here in the triangles. So here जो right hand side वाला पार्ट है वो हमारा हाफ शेडेड है और हाफ हमारा अनशेडेड है. ठीक है. तो हमें जो नेक्स्ट फिगर ड्रॉ करनी है यहाँ पे उसमें हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाला पार्ट जो है वो शेडेड होना चाहिए एंड इट इज इन ऑप्शन नंबर A. Okay, so option number A is correct. Understood? Now in question number 5, it is given A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and P, Q, R, and we have to find out for next. So here beta first we will see the relationship between A, B, C, D, E, F. So यहाँ पे A, B, C के बाद हमने कोई भी अल्फाबेट या लेटर हमने छोड़ा नहीं है और D, E, F हमने लिख दिया है. So same relationship we have to put here also. So here it is given P, Q, R. So after R which letter comes? That S. Okay. So S, T, U is the correct. So here we will circle option number B. And answer is option number B is correct. Understood beta? Thank you.